In this video, I'm going to show you 4 different types of notes that will help you with rhythmic simplicity in FL Studio. Let's get to it. So the 4 types of notes that I'm going to discuss today is the whole note, the half note, the quarter note, and the eighth notes. Here we go. To fill in a whole note, you'll click on the first square in the first beat, and you'll drag it all the way over to the visible vertical bar line. This creates your 4-beat whole note. Again, click the first square and drag it all the way to the visible bar line, and that creates your 4-beat whole note. Let's hear it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's your 4-beat whole note. To cover a half note, we're going to click on the first square in the beat again, and then we're going to drag it over until we cover 8 squares in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same thing, click on the first square in the beat and drag it until you cover 8 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that creates your half note. Let's hear it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. There's your half note. It covers 2 beats. For quarter notes, we're going to click on the first square in the beat, and for each beat within each measure, we're going to click on the first square out of each set of 4. So we're going to click on this square, and this square. And I'm going to click on some more so you can hear exactly what the quarter note sounds like. Here's the quarter note. 1, 2, 3, 4. So every single note is hitting right on the beat, and that's your quarter note. For eighth notes, we're going to do the same thing, just like we did for the other note elements. Click on the first square within the beat, then we're going to skip one, click one, skip one, click one, skip one, click one, skip one, click one, and so on and so forth. And when I play this, you're going to hear exactly how the eighth notes are executed in FL Studio. Here we go, eighth notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you'll find is that the note is hitting on the beat and off the beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And there's your eighth notes. Now that you know what whole notes, half notes, quarter notes, and eighth notes sound like in FL Studio, when you make your next beat, keep these types of notes in mind so that you can create rhythmic simplicity in your beats. I hope you enjoyed this clip. This is JCov's Music Company, and I'll see y'all in the next one.